Okay, so when you have a recipe, it might be easier or will be easier to find out the amount of ingredients needed for one portion so that we can find out a larger specific portion. So if we had something like 1/3 of a cup, and we want to find out, and this is for, let's say, 12 cupcakes, we're going to need to divide by 12. We want to find just one portion. So 1/3 divided by 12, we know that that's 1/3 times 1/12, and we have 1/36 of a cup. Now, yes, that is the fraction answer for one cupcake. We have 1/36 of a cup. Now, that doesn't mean anything to us, and we can't use a 250 ml measuring cup, a full cup measuring cup, and find 1/36. So we need to understand, what does 1/36 mean? And if we know that 1 cup is equal to 250 mils, then how much is 1/36 of that? So 250 times 1/36, and you have 250 over 36, and you pull out your calculator, and we get 250 divided by 36 is 6.944 mils. So I'm not going to use a cup anymore. I'm going to look at my conversion table and decide on what teaspoons or tablespoons I'm going to use. And that's approximately 7, so I'm going to use 1.5 teaspoons, which is equal to 7 milliliters. So for tonight's homework on the green sheet, what I want you to be able to get to is I want you to be able to get what is the portion for one, what is the amount needed for one portion, and you should begin to get comfortable with what is the practical reality of that number. What am I going to be able to use to get 1/36? Okay? Obviously, with an egg, which isn't on the green sheet, you wouldn't be able to get a 1/12 of a single egg. So there are some of the ingredients that may not have a practical application to it, and that's why your understanding of real fractions and the meanings behind them, so understanding what their units are. Is it a cup? Is it a milliliter? Is it a gram?